In this little short video, I'll show you how to use the Labyrinth quiz site in case you're having any problems or it seems a little confusing. I have added, there's a few links. The directions for the assignments have the link in them generally. So if you, in this first part when we have like lesson 1, there was a link here off to the Concepts website. I also have added it in the individual weeks. So here in week 3, I'll have added a link off along with this video, which isn't shown in this one since I'm making it right now, on how to do that. That'll be in week 2 and 3 to help you with that. And that'll get you to this site, the link. So now remember that you can click here. Now this website has 2 different websites. If you go by the books website, you'll get a different website than this one. So we're talking about the quizzes that you can email to your instructor. And so if I was in this, I'm in week 3 here in the Canvas, so I'll go to the week 3 quiz, but that'll work in any of these. So in week 1, you can click on the quiz here, which is always at the bottom of the list. You'll get a little page like this. You'll click Start. You'll go through and answer the questions, go to the next one. Whoops. Next. And answer it. When you're done, you'll hit Submit. In this case, I haven't answered all the questions, so it's warning me of that. In your case, you won't get this warning because you've already answered all the questions. And then here's where that email results piece is. You can put your name, your email address, and then my email address. That way you'll get a copy of them and hit Send, and those results will come into my inbox. If something happens and for some reason I don't get the results, you'll have a copy of them. So when you see the score isn't what it should be, you can email me a copy, and we can take care of that right away. The other site, the number of questions on a quiz won't be the same. Typically on this site there are 18 questions. You might have in the other version you'll have 14 or 15 perhaps, and it won't give you this option of emailing results. You'll just see the results in the quiz results page, like here. Enter your name, print results. So you've gone one page too far. If you get to this, go back. There's the email the results one. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask your instructor. In this case, it would be David Rosie if it's me. It might be somebody else in another quarter. Things are going well, and good luck.